Welcome to Rakhi's blog. It's morning 8:35. We have started our journey from Howrah and we are going towards Hyderabad. Our last station is Sikandrabad, which is in Hyderabad. It is 25-hour journey. We are going through Falaknuma Express. The name has been changed to COVID-9 special superfast express train, Falaknuma Express. And due to COVID protocol, lots of things has been changed. Like we are traveling in first AC, but there is no curtain, and they are not providing bedding also, and that is quite okay. Due to COVID protocol, we need to follow few things. It is well sanitized and everything, although, but still we did our sanitization process by ourselves. And since we are traveling with baby, we bought the train and we sanitized everything for our safety. Throughout this journey, we'll show you what are the things happening and what are the station we are crossing and how the journey completes. This 25-hour, you people will be with me. First AC. By the time we reached to the station, it was little late and the train was already on the platform. And Shantashri, my father-in-law, my baby and our driver, everybody was literally running. And see how the driver is running faster than Shantashri to board us. Don't worry, time আছে এখনো 35.
তোমরা নেমে যাও
পাপা দাদাজি को बाय बोलो. दादाजी is going bus से bye. তুমি আসো আমি যাব. চলেই গেল. This part of India is full of lots of water bodies, so we can see easily lots of hydrophytes and lots of aquatic plants. So I'm gonna introduce one plant which is commonly known in Bengali as a kochuripana, and in English the name is hyacinth. And I'm introducing this plant to Jainika. Through the video, you people can also see the plant hyacinth. These are plants commonly used for paper making and biogas, because these grow very easily in any water body. We find it anywhere in West Bengal. You can easily see in pond or some water where the water collects and for the long time. Usually we see in ponds. The plant name is kochuripana in Bengali, and English it's hyacinth, and it's an aquatic plant and it look very beautiful. Later if you go through the study, you will find it was a disaster of West Bengal sometime, but now since we are aware about lots of new technologies and paper making and biogas making, so many new technologies are there, so people are using this hyacinth plant for making lots of things. Like you can make paper and it is not going to hamper the environment. You can make biogas and definitely it is not going to hamper the environment. So now hyacinth can be boom of West Bengal, but earlier it was the disaster of West Bengal, because the plant hyacinth, it grows so huge in quantity. It cover all the surface of the water and it don't allow sunlight to get inside the water, and it don't even allow oxygen to go inside the water, and it kills slowly all the water species. So it was earlier the disaster of West Bengal, but now the people of West Bengal know how to use this hyacinth positively, so they can make paper and they can make biogas out of these hyacinths. So I'm gonna introduce Janika how the hyacinth look, and it has a purple flower which look really awesome and beautiful. The train is moving very fast now, so I'm missing everything. Since the train is moving very fast, I am not gonna capture those hyacinth, commonly known as kochuri pana in Bangla, but the train is passing through all those hyacinth and all those plant only, but since because of speed I'm not able to get the proper view of those plants. Pinkish flower around the water body, those are the plant hyacinth. It look really beautiful. The pinkish purplish flower. Chocolates ante bhule gechi. Here it is the Kharagpur junction. Train will stop here. This is our first stoppage after Howrah. We just entered to Kharagpur junction. As I told you, it is the longest railway junction in India. Wet tissue. Shantashri is getting down to bring some of the stuff for the baby. From this window I can see only the other train and Malgadi and all other carrier. I think these are the cargo carrier, because in India we use railway as a important carrier for goods and other stuff. The connectivity in railway is awesome in India, and it is the cheapest cargo. So for containers and heavy load, we can carry in these train from one place to another. There is one drawback of first AC. We don't get platform.
आपका फोन नंबर चिरंजीव है वहाँ पे के है नंबर రాస్తుందా
In terms of platform length, Kharagpur is the third longest railway station junction in India. And from West Bengal, if we enter towards Odisha, Kharagpur is the last railway junction or station. Then we enter to Odisha. Kharagpur is the last railway station of West Bengal, and it shares the border with Odisha. Once Kharagpur left behind, that means we enter to Odisha.
এসো
We are already in Orissa. We ordered our lunch, egg curry and rice in pantry car, and it will be delivered soon. As you can see, Janika is already slept because we already bring food for her, and for ourselves we did not carry any food because usually me and Shantashri, we don't prefer heavy luggage. We always go with the flow. Whatever we get in on road or situation, we adjust. But for the baby, we have carried khichdi, and she already ate and she already slept. So I will end up this video here only. For next part of the video, I will record further because otherwise the video will be longer. So bye bye for today.